What is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Spotify on the Xbox One from being stuck on a loading screen. So what you're going to want to do, make sure in order before you start this, go to your settings in your Xbox and check the network and see what Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Make sure, then go on a computer or a phone, connect to the same Wi-Fi network, then open Spotify. I'll show you guys how to do it on the computer version. On the phone version, it's kind of the same thing. You just got to find your way to navigate. So when you're on Spotify, have your Xbox just at the dashboard. Close Spotify, click on it, hit quit. Just sit at the dashboard on the Xbox One. Go into settings. Obviously, you can see, go to settings. Scroll down to devices, connect to a device, listen and control Spotify on your devices. Hit open devices menu and it's going to say Xbox. Click on that and it will automatically open up on the Xbox and it's fixed forever. And dude, you can do the same thing on the phone. When you're listening on the phone, it's going to be like somewhere like down here. You'll see it. You won't be able to miss it, I'm telling you. So this will actually help you guys fix the loading problems. And sorry if sorry if the video quality is like probably off or loud. I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna sound like because I'm using OBS for the first time in a while. But yeah, guys, this should help fix your issue. If you know anybody that's having this problem, just be sure to share this to them, send it to them, find a way to get it out to them, because this video does help, and I do think it will help everybody's problems. If it's not working for you guys, just be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to help you guys with that. I also am doing a giveaway for $50 to anywhere you want, and I might be giving away a 2.5-hour double XP code on Black Ops 4. So if that's something you guys would like, go down in the description. I'll have a link to the giveaway, and in the comments I'll have a link to the giveaway too. And yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.
Now it's 20 years later, someone far across the ocean. Here I am chilling with the homies on some drone shit. Thank God that I made it this far. If it wasn't for my driver, then I would've crashed the car. It's the Beast Boy coming through.